For Father's Day, trade the complexity of a formal meal for a single high-impact snack board, starting with this honey-infused cheese dip. This timeline compares a typical holiday kitchen schedule to this board's prep requirements. Once your ingredients are measured, the active work is finished in exactly 15 minutes. Honey bridges the gap between the various elements on this board, pulling the sharp cheddar, savory meats, and spicy heat into a single profile. Before starting, gather a pastry brush, a whisk, and a small saucepan, then preheat the oven to 350. Choosing a shareable, self-serve board creates a more relaxed atmosphere than a sit-down dinner, allowing for a stress-free Father's Day hangout. This layout shows our 4 base ingredients: 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of honey, a half teaspoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of flaky salt. Whisk these together until fully combined. Apply a light, even coating of this glaze to 4 or 5 soft pretzels using a pastry brush. Warning tone: avoid saturating the dough. Too much glaze will sink into the pretzel and make it soggy rather than helping it crisp up. Bake the glazed pretzels at 350 degrees for 5 minutes to warm and set the coating. The oven heat dries the glaze into a thin, tacky layer on the surface. This ensures the sweetness hits the palate at the exact same time as the salt. On the stove, melt 1 tablespoon of butter over medium heat. Whisk in 1 tablespoon of flour and cook it for exactly 1 minute. This diagram shows roux formation. Cooking the flour neutralizes raw taste, allowing fat and starch to form a stable thickening matrix. Whisk constantly while you slowly pour in 3/4 cup of milk and a half cup of light beer. Cautionary: if the cold liquid is added too quickly, the roux will seize, creating a clumpy base that cannot be smoothed out. Integrating the liquid slowly into the roux establishes the foundation for a smooth, uniform cheese dip. Lower the stovetop heat to its lowest setting before you add the cheese to the saucepan. Add 1½ cups of sharp cheddar, 1 small handful at a time. Let each portion melt completely to keep the emulsion from breaking. Next, stir in the flavor components: 2 tablespoons of honey, a dash of hot sauce, a half teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a pinch of black pepper. The hot sauce and smoked paprika provide a layer of warming, earthy heat that offsets the richness of the cheese. This chart tracks the flavor profile. The honey expands from the center to pull the sharp cheddar, bitter beer, and spicy hot sauce into a more rounded, cohesive taste. In this mixture, the honey acts as a stabilizer. It softens the heat and beer's bitterness without masking the flavor of the cheese. To assemble the board, place the hot cheese dip in the center as the primary anchor. Surround the dip with tight clusters of your warm pretzels, smoked sausage slices, apple slices, roasted nuts, and pretzel sticks. Use color and texture to guide the layout. Placing bright apple slices next to the dark smoked sausage makes each ingredient stand out more clearly. As a final step, drizzle an extra teaspoon of warm honey over the top and add a light dusting of smoked paprika. This garnish ensures the sweetness of the honey and the smokiness of the paprika are the first things tasted with every dip. The board is now fully assembled and ready to be served immediately while the cheese is hot. Dragging a warm pretzel through the center of the board should result in a perfectly smooth, glossy cheese pole. You've created a spread that hits savory, spicy, and smoky notes using a from-scratch dip, all within that 15-minute prep window. Opting for a shareable board over a complicated meal lets the focus remain on the time spent together.